Hey guys, I think you're going to be really surprised what you can make with the Creality Falcon A1 10-watt laser. Here I've got a solid walnut keychain. These are great money makers for craft shows, and also a walnut veneered phone stand. So we're going to make both of those in today's video. I'm going to show you how to design it and how to cut it out. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. So we go over to the shape and choose circle, and I want a 2-inch diameter circle. So this is actually set to millimeters. We just changed it to inches. So now we've got a 2-inch circle. We're going to create another circle that's 0.15 inch. This is for the keychain hardware. Then we're going to select both circles and center those and drag it accordingly. Now we're going to use the text tool. Drag it where we want it in the circle. And we're going to center everything again using the built-in tools. Then we just add it as a second layer and set it to engrave. I'm placing the wood in the laser, and I like to tape it down or use magnets to hold it down because you don't want it to move during processing. Then I just use the focal distance tool and set it to cut or engrave depending on what you're wanting to do. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is design this phone stand. We're just going to go to the shape tool and select a rectangle and make it the size of the rectangle you want. It's pretty easy to design in the Falcon design space. So the basic design of part of the phone stand is here. Now we need to make the size of slots. This is depending on the thickness and the width of your plywood. I went ahead and imported the final version. These are all the parts we're going to need to cut. So we've got to change the layer to all, we've got to change the cuts so that each of these pieces get cut out. And then we've got to remove any of the output that we don't want for the different layers, which are represented by the different colors. Once we have our cut layer set up, it's time to cut the phone stand out. So for this project, it took 2 sheets of the laminated plywood and walnut veneer to get all the parts I needed. They cut out beautifully, very little charring, and really not a lot of cleanup. Assembly's pretty straightforward. Add a little super glue and tap it into the slots. It's supposed to be a tight fit. I like to use a mallet if needed.